welcome to Mini Medi. I hope that you are having a fun, satisfying day with your loved ones. And I am trying to throw my voice so that you hear me. Okay, so maybe if I get closer, maybe you can hear me a little better. Today, we're just gonna do a short meditation on peace of mind, fun, and creating beautiful moments, enjoying your day, enjoying moments, knowing life is sacred and special, and just appreciating this moment now. And what we have is really crucial to our well-being and keeping our hope alive during uncertain times and crisis mode that the world is in on March the 6th, and the unknown, and a lot of people are afraid of the unknown, and a lot of people are terrified of what we do know and what is going on in the world, and the basic we are in a crisis because we don't know if we're going to be joining in World War III, if we are going to be bombed, basically, if we are what's going to happen in Ukraine and with the Russian people also, and with all the children and the elderly and everyone in the world is affected by what's going on, by certain people who just are power hungry, and it's just very mentally disturbing what's going on there. And even before that, what's going on just with people. I mean, even in your neighborhood, you might have seen changes, which I have. And so, how are we going to ride this out for things to get back to decency and well-being to some degree for all of us? That is why I want to be here and hold the space for moments of blessings and love. So please join me and hold your hands out, and or you can put them on your lap and just hold that space for divine love for all of us and everyone and every living thing. Hold love and space for every living thing, and breathe life into all good and all nature and all life. Take a deep breath in and release. And I just bring myself to the world space. I create an opening and a space of devotion, love, manners, well-being, peace, golden rule, treating others good as you would like to be treated, and talk loving to one another and your family. Walk the world gently and just appreciate the moments, and just hug yourself, hug the world, give love, share love with the people that come your way, even the lost souls, and just call forth the good, the bold. Just be your best self and have courage to stand in truth, justice, and love. And so it is. Take a deep breath in and release and say thank you. Thank you for all that I have, my family, my friends, and I embrace love. I hold love in my heart and I share it with the world. And I just ask for peace in minds and hearts of everybody around the world. So much suffering, and I have compassion, so I'm a little burnt out because I have so much compassion and I feel so much for so many people because we are all one. You're all one. Be kind to one another, love one another, stand in your power. And yes, there is a time that we have to just stand for the truth, stand for peace. And we do want our freedom to live, our freedom to live in our homes safely. That's what we all want, to just live in our homes safely. That's what most of us want, and that's what most of us will have, and that is what I ask for us to return to. And so it is, it will be. That I am certain of. That everything is going to be restored. And yes, there's a lot of loss and suffering going on now. And may we just hold that space and don't give up. Keep pushing forward to well being, truth, and equality for all of us, everyone, animals, plants, life, women, people of color, all colors. May we all just live in equal harmony and stop trying to have power over each other and be really rude to each other. It's been going on a while, and it's at its breaking point. And may we all just live in love and light and hold the space for each other to heal now. That is my prayer for all of us to live in harmony. I'll see you next time. Take care of each other. I will be sending love and prayers out to Ukraine and to our brothers and sisters all around the world. We do need each other. We are one divine heart in love. Peace.